RBD Defense.
The head of Bangladesh Air Force, Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mahmud Khan, has made some very significant announcements. I'm going to talk about these announcements a little and discuss the strategic implications behind them. So let's not waste any time and begin. Firstly, the biggest news. Bangladesh Air Force will establish a new UAV manufacturing plant in Bogura, not to be confused with the Bangladesh-China joint UAV manufacturing plant. That is a different facility entirely. Okay, so what do we know about the UAVs that will be manufactured here in Bogura? From Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mahmud Khan's speech, we know that this UAV plant will produce indigenous, so Bangladeshi UAVs. And the UAV class that was specifically mentioned by Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mahmud Khan is medium altitude long endurance or MALE UAVs. For reference, this is the class that the Bayraktar DB2 is in. This announcement doesn't surprise or shock me at all because I predicted 6 months ago that Bangladesh Air Force had plans to design a MALE UAV. When the KX-2 was first unveiled, I theorized that the KX-2 was just a test bed for Bangladesh Air Force to test common features of MALE UAVs like the hardpoints and a landing gear. These sort of things are not usually present in UAVs that are smaller. Not everyone agreed with me when I made that theory 8 months ago, but that doesn't matter now because, like 99% of my predictions, this one also turned out to be true. But that's enough self-glazing for now. As for the strategic implications of Bangladesh designing and manufacturing our own MALE UAVs, looking at everything as a whole, this UAV plant in Bogura pumping out indigenous MALE UAVs alongside the Bangladesh-China joint UAV plant pumping out Chinese UAVs manufactured in Bangladesh alongside our UAV imports from Turkey, Bangladesh is very much en route to become this region's dominant UAV power, and on par with Pakistan if we're talking about South Asia as a whole. Lastly, Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mahmud Khan also mentioned the progress that has already been made in upgrading the Bogura Air Base. Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mahmud Khan further stated that Bogura Air Base would be further expanded after elections to where Bogura Air Base can even accommodate large aircrafts like commercial airliners. Strategic implications wise, Bogura is the stronghold of Bangladesh military's Northern Command, and Bangladesh Air Force's presence there is being expanded to accommodate the up-and-coming or new-coming fighter jets and UAVs, which will be put in charge of defending northern Bengal, operating out of the Bogura Air Base. Not only will this make northern Bengal an impenetrable stronghold, but also serve as the launching ground for any necessary incursions up north in the future. Make of that what you will. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I am still in the process of writing the script for the PAF J35 video, or J35A I should say. Detailed videos like that obviously take more time to make than, just news videos like this. But that video isn't going to take very long either. Since you watched the video till the end, comment chicken neck in the comment section. I'm sure that will get some nice reactions. Again, thank you for watching the video till the end. Comment chicken's neck in the comment section. And I will see you in the J35A video.